Good morning, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 11th Standard Maths, 7th chapter, Matrices and Determinants, exercise 7.1. We are going to learn now exercise 7.1, first Roman letter. Construct an M by N matrix A is equal to Aij, where Aij is given by. Ij is represent the elements of the matrix. Is it clear now? Ij is represent the elements of the matrix. M is represent the rows, number of rows. N is represent the number of columns. Is it clear now? M is equal to represent the number of rows and N is equal to number of columns. First I am writing the given Aij. Then now M is equal to, what is the they given? M is equal to 2. M means what I am telling to you? M means number of rows, N is equal to number of columns. Okay, is it clear? First I am going to form the matrix by rows rows 2 and columns 3. So we have to construct the matrix of the order 2 into 3. What are they? A is equal to, matrix A is equal to, matrix A is equal to order of 2 into 3. What are they? A 1 1, that is the elements of that matrix, and then A1 2, A1 3. Then we know that what, how many rows? 2 rows, 3 columns. So A2 1, A2 2, and A2 3. Okay, is it clear? So I form a matrix A, rows 2 and column 3. Okay, then here what is the Aij? A is equal to I minus 2j whole square by 2. Instead of ij, I will take, first I am taking to first elements of the matrix A11. Instead of I will substitute 1, and instead of j I will substitute 1. So first I am taking that A11. I am going to find the what is the value of A11 using that question. I place what I am telling to I place, I will substitute the 1 minus 2. Instead of j I am going to substitute the 1 because I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1 divided by, this is a whole square, divided by 2. You know the value of this one, 1. 2 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2, and whole square divided by 2. Then equal to 1 minus 2 is equal, it gives minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, what is the answer? You know that minus 1 whole square is, it gives plus 1. So answer equal to 1 by 2. Then I am taking the next one. Next elements I am going to the first row, second column, first elements, that A 1 2. So here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. Yes, I place, I will write 1, I am taking 1, j plus I will take 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are whole square divided by 2 equal to, you know that 1 minus 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is equal, gives that minus 3 whole square divided by 2. Then minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. So 9 by 2. Then third one, A 1 3. So I is equal to, in this place I is equal to 1 minus 2j is equal to 3 whole square divided by 2. Okay, you know that 1 minus 2 3s are 6. 1 minus 6 equal to minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square, it gives this 25 by 2. 20. Is it clear now? I am not explain more. So you know how to do that. 1 minus 2 3s are x. 1 minus x equal to 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square. It gives 25 by 2. Then first row finished. I am taking the second row. First column A to 1. I is equal to 2. J is equal to 1. 2 minus J is equal to 1 whole square divided by 2. So 2 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2. It gives 0. 0 square is also 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Because 0 by anything gives 0. The answer equal to 0. Then first row, second column A to 2. The elements of this first row and second column A to 2. So I is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 whole square divided by 2. So what is that answer here? 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 4, 4, it gives minus 2. Minus 2 whole square divided by 2. So minus 4 is equal to minus 2 whole square gives plus 4. 4 by 2 gives 2. So answer equal to 2. Then last one, second row, third column, 2 3. So A is equal to 2 minus B is equal to 3 and whole square equal to by 2. So 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. 2 minus, because 2 3s are 6. 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. Minus 4 whole square, it gives 16. Yes. Divided by 2. So 16 by 2 is gives 8. 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Almost I found that everything. So now I inform the A. What is the matrix of A? A is equal to, I am going to write the A11 place. What is the value we found that 1 by 2. So instead of A11, A11 place, I'll write the 1 by 2. Same thing, we will write that A12 place 9 by 2. Same way we will follow the next one also. What is that we get it? The third one, 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Then first row, second row, first column, 2 1 is equal to 0. Then next one is 2 and 8. Okay, is it clear? We want to do the one more step, because 1 by 2 is common in everything except 2 and 8. So I am taking the 1 by 2 outside. It gives in this place 1, 9, 25, 0. Here 1 by 2 is taken outside means what answer we will get? That 4. And here 16. Understood that? Because 4 by 1 by 2 is give 2. Then 16 by 2 is give the 8. Is it clear, children? The same method we will follow the second sum also, but they are given the mm, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. That means rows equal to 3, columns equal to 4. Same method we will follow here. Second sum also be like that. Okay, thank you.